Another beautiful morning in paradise out here at Larry's. Yeah, can you guess what I'm doing? We got a bunch of rain last night. Bunch of rain. Like 4 inches. So it's kind of squishy around here. But today, we're doing sawmill alignment. And it's not made any easier. Let's see if I can get the lighting right. I'm gonna step out into the sun. I guess that helps, I don't know. Knock the junk off of it. I don't know if that's showing up or not, how crooked that is. Just like the other one. You see how crooked that guide wheel is on that mount? See, big gap there, almost no gap there. Now this one, I think that might be bent, that right there. It's definitely old and rusty. I know where I placed the other one because this stuff rusts because it gets that acidic oak sawdust and stuff on there. And this one here, it's got the water tube on it, so it's always wet over here. And plus when you saw a log, there's plenty of water in there. So I'm at to straighten out this mount, it looks like, just like the other one. And this here, that may be bent as well. I'll straighten it out, but all this stuff has got to be square when you start out. Otherwise, you're too far out of the ballpark to get it right. Now, one of my last videos, I showed this in its mount, and that was way up here. And that's probably because this stuff here is all bent up. So if this was straight, it would be more like in the center there. More like in the center there. Get my camera work screwed up. So now, I gotta work on this. So it's time to get out the hammer and punch and maybe even the torch to straighten that up if I need to, but I'm gonna disassemble this. We'll see what needs to be done. This here's still the old style blade guide roller. You see it's got a grease nipple there. It's got open bearings in there that take grease, and you just give it a couple squirts every, I don't know, 4 hours, something like that. Now the new one, on the drive side here, this is the revamped model. They eliminate the grease nipple and just has sealed bearings, which I like that better anyway. So that grease gets in behind there when it squeezes out and gets packed in there with sawdust, and it can actually make too much friction on this. These are far better. All right, time to get to work. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. And don't forget, like my pappy said, be of good cheer.